Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule reports in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need to make sure that you are on the homepage or the user interface of Salesforce and not the setup. And after that, we need to go to our reports page or reports tab. So from here, we will find all these reports. And all you need to do is just to create a report, and after that you will need to subscribe to it and add a subscription. So we can create any reports from here. So basically just click on a new report and create any reports that you want. So simply we can choose accounts and contacts, and I'm just going to add accounts or anything. So it's my new, and here I'm just going to run this one. I'm just going to click on run, and now I'm having these reports. So let's just go to reports, and we can go by created by me, for example, but whatever. Anything, the most thing that is important is just to click on subscribe, and from here you will be able to start having a frequency in scheduling your reports. So here you can run reports as you or choose another person. So from here you can choose also the time, schedule all the days if you want, if it would be daily. If it would be monthly, you can choose either by week or the first week of each month or whatever you like. And from here, I'm just going to add like that, for example, and each time in these days, it will start running this report. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.